About this OTC's comprehensive set of 8 PT, 3/4 inch drive wheel bearing Locknut sockets includes the 15 popular sizes your shop uses the most, plus 3 sizes of 6 lug tubular sockets for GM heavy-duty axles. Wheel bearing Locknuts are easy to remove or install with these specially designed sockets featuring high-strength steel construction that resists rounding out under high torque load. Set comes with a handy wall mount display board, labeled with size and part number, that keeps sockets contained and organized so they are ready when you need them. Set includes the following 8 PT sockets: number 1903 2-3/8 inch, number 1905 2-9/16 inch, number 1907 3-inch, number 1909 3-1/4 inch, number 1911 3-1/2 inch, number 1913 3-7/8 inch, number 1917 4-3/8 inch, number 1919 4-7/8 inch, number 1924 3-3/8 inch, no. 1925 3-3/4 inch, number 1927 3-13/16 inch, number 1933 2-7/8 inch, number 1935 3-1/8 inch, number 1937 2-3/4 inch, number 1938 4-1/2 inch, 6 lug tubular sockets, number 1929 2-5/8 inch, number 1930 2-7/8 inch, number 1931 3-5/8 inch. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this OTC's comprehensive set of 8 PT, 3/4 inch drive wheel bearing Locknut sockets includes the 15 popular sizes your shop uses the most, plus 3 sizes